Hello everyone, so today I am going to be doing a makeup look on this look right here, which is my go-to makeup for when I'm sick. So yes, I am sick right now, and this is the makeup that I always wear. I do switch up my blush colors and my lip colors depending on like the time of the year or what I'm feeling like. Right now we're in March, so I'm playing with peachier tones and more golden tones, but I also do like to wear some mauves and more berry tones sometimes. And yeah, so I'm just going to be showing you the look and giving you some tips and tricks on what I like to do and things like that for when I am wearing makeup when I'm sick in case I have to go to school. So yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so you are notified as soon as a video goes up, and I will see you in a minute to get started on this makeup look. Okay, so I'm going to start off by spraying my face with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, just because when you're sick, your skin is a lot drier, so it's always good to go in with something like that. Now, with the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation, I'm going to just lightly put this all over my face with a damp beauty blender. I like this foundation because it's very hydrating, and my skin has been especially dry. And then we're just going to lightly conceal the under eye area where you may have some redness or puffiness or even some bluey tones, maybe just from not sleeping as well or whatever. So I like to just cover up my dark circles, and because it's a bit lighter, I will just take whatever's left on the beauty blender and dab it on my forehead and chin, and then just set that area, which I'm gonna kind of skip past because you see it in every single video. And then curling my lashes. It's always a good idea to curl your lashes because in case your eyes are really, really puffy, this is going to help lift up your eyelashes and make them not look so like dead. It's going to help lift the eyes so you look more awake. And then we're going to put on some waterproof mascara, and I really emphasize that you use waterproof mascara because at least for me, my eyes get really, really watery and teary, so any other mascara will just come off or weigh down your lashes and smudge all over the place where this won't. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my top and bottom lashes. It's my favorite mascara ever. I love it. And then we're going to fill in our brows. I recommend doing a soft brow, especially since we don't really have much going on with the eyes. It'll help balance out everything. But if you like a bold brow, then you do you. I'm using the Covergirl Eye and Brow Makers, I believe is what it's called. And then I just blend it out with the spoolie. I like this pencil because it's like kind of waxy, but it's also not really waxy, and it's really light, so it's hard to go overboard with. And I just fill it in messily, I guess, and just blend it out with the spoolie brush. I live with the spoolie brush. I physically could not do my brows without the spoolie brush. It's everything to me when filling in my brows. So yeah, just defining the brows and then going in with the Sweethearts bronzer from Too Faced. Just lightly bronzing up the skin. I like this bronzer because it has a slight glow to it, so it really helps in bringing radiance back to the skin, especially when your skin can look really dull. That's why we've been using a lot of hydrating products with the setting spray, or not setting spray, but the skin mist and everything. It helps bring radiance. Then obviously, I'm going to be highlighting with Summer Highlighter from Anastasia. I'm doing this before my blush because then the highlight looks more like a glow instead of a line of highlight on the cheekbones. I am going to highlight my nose as I usually do, but that's just my personal preference. Then mixing those two shades from the e.l.f. Light Blush Palette just to create a really beautiful peachy coral shade. I love corals especially because they just add a nice glow to the face. A lot of people think they look scary in the pan, but on the face they look so flattering and beautiful and help your face to look really fresh. Then using Everything's Peachy lipstick from Too Faced, I'm going to lightly dab this on my lips just so it's not too intense. That is the finished look. Very easy, very natural. And now I get to go take a nap. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you later. Bye!